Hey, what's up guys? So due to the lackluster performance of the Exynos chip, Samsung won't be utilizing its own silicon on the Galaxy S22 series, which means all regions including Europe will get the Snapdragon variant of the Galaxy S22 series this time around. But that's not the case with the Galaxy A series, which offers mid-range smartphones. Earlier this year, Samsung announced the Galaxy A53 5G with Exynos 1280 5G SoC, and seems like the upcoming Galaxy A54 5G will once again rely on Exynos chip, as the device has been spotted on Geekbench with Exynos 1380 SoC. The device tested on Geekbench has 6GB RAM and the SoC has 4 cores clocked at 2.40 GHz and 4 power efficient cores at 2 GHz. The SoC managed to score 776 points in single-core test and 2599 points in multi-core test. The SoC is paired with Mali G68 GPU and the testing unit runs on Android 13. Now speaking of the Galaxy A54 5G, it is said to come with a 50 megapixel main camera. There are speculation that Samsung could use the same 50 megapixel sensor which is found on the Galaxy S22 or any of its own new sensor with same megapixel count. The renders of the device were leaked recently and it showed the design language similar to the Galaxy S22. Unlike the Galaxy A53 5G, the Galaxy A54 will not feature any depth sensor and thus will have a triple camera setup. It is said to pack a 5100 mAh battery under the hood with 25W fast charging speed. However, we might not get a charger inside the box. Like the Galaxy A53 5G, the Galaxy A54 will also not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. More on this will be covered on my channel, so do subscribe. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.